Next question natin. Paano ninyo pinoprotektahan yung mga inner peace ninyo or sanity and boundaries sa toxic society that we have right now?
Yeah.
Please share some experiences. Game, unahan na natin si Sandra.
Siguro nilalayo ko yung sarili ko doon. Mismo. Sa problem na yun.
So like, you just tend to forget, ganun?
Yes.
Ah, pwede pa lang gawin ng ambivert. Tend to forget, ganun. Kalimutan mo na lang pag may problema ka or like may problema ka dun sa tao na yun.
Minsan, dinidibdib ko muna. Tapos after nun, kakalimutan ko na lang.
So like very same
paano
as
mo
Mikay?
kinakalimutan yung mga bagay? Parang binibigay mo ba yung energy mo sa ibang bagay
Like
na lang
you
instead of
distract yourself,
doon?
Yes.
like maybe. You distract yourself. How do you do that?
Like, watching movies, mga ganun po. Nagbabasa ako ng books, mga ganun.
More on self-activities talaga
Yeah.
muna.
Oo, yung
Like,
mga
wala
criminal
mo nang-
cases, mga ganyan.
Oo, alam mo, may ibang people na ganun yung coping nila, di ba? Like, pero
Nanonood
pag
ako, no?
introverts, mga ganun, yung parang, teka lang, parang mas gusto ko ata manood na krimen. Mika, ikaw, ganun ka ba? Can you validate that? Ganun ka ba deal to keep you sane?
Actually, ako naman, mahilig ako pumunta mag-isa sa coffee shop o kaya museum.
Oh, why? Why though?
Feeling ko ang peaceful kasi pag ikaw lang din mag-isa, tas iniisip mo kung ano yung inner peace mo, parang gano'n. Lalo na pag museum. Sobrang, andun sa akin yung peace, parang gano'n.
Like being, I don't know, I don't get why. Like why does it make, di ba pag introvert ka, mas expect mo, mas nasa bahay ka. Pero dahil nga ikaw, mas gusto mo nasa labas, like how do you do that na mas maraming tao? Mas okay yun sa'yo?
Eh, hindi naman ako makikipag-usap.
Correct naman. Kasi di ba may mga people,
Pag
bigla
at
ka
least-
lalapitan.
Oo.
Like, what do you think about this painting?
Actually, hindi ako nalalapitan ng tao kasi lagi ako naka-headphone.
Ah.
Hindi ako sabi nga nila, bakit daw never ako nagsuot ng earphone na mali. Gusto ko headphone para sumisigaw na hindi nyo ako pwedeng kausap.
Yun pala yun.
Yes. Tapos may pa yun, may crochet pa yun na sprout. Parang kitang-kita nila.
Para pansinin nyo, hindi nyo ako pwedeng kausapin.
Introverts can really be outgoing. No, they can actually look for other activities that they want to experience. Kasi aside from introversion, extroversion, meron tayong tinatawag na openness to experience. That's another block of our personality characteristic. No, that is not often discussed, especially in media, diba? And that openness to experience can actually make people, outgoing, maybe seeking, novel activities because they want to accept new experiences in their lives.
Ikaw naman, Leon, how do you deal with toxicity or like,
For me, I mean, parang araw-araw naman kasi laging may toxic na pwedeng pag-usapan with friend groups or
Yes.
whatever. To keep my peace, parang wala akong sineseryoso ever. Parang,
love that?
sometimes it goes back badly to me. Pero parang,
Why?
kahit anong sitwasyon,
Yan yung mga gusto natin.
kahit anong sitwasyon kasi may,
Expound on it.
kahit anong sitwasyon kasi may joke ako. Like, parang mayroon sabihin yung mga sitwasyon.
Go.
Pero, let's say minsan if it's to the level na may ma-expel or may talagang serious issue, alam mo yung, ang haba-haba ng mga message nila, mag-joke lang ako. Kasi for me,
It's nothing
Icebreaker
seriously.
siya.
parang wala, not sa naman sa wala akong pakialam, kaya ako nakikinig kasi may pakialam ako. But at the same time, parang for the longest time, I've been living with a mantra. It's like, in 2 weeks, I won't care. Or in 2 weeks, most people won't care. And it's true. Kasi, like, do we really remember what happened 2 weeks ago? Like, really not. So, why not be happy na lang? Like, kahit na masama yung nangyayari, okay, tawa ka na lang. Like, eto may nangyari na, okay, oh my God, sana hindi to malala.
Sige, makinig yung mga...
Like,
sa mga taong involved, skip niyo yung part na to.
like, parang, it was a day na lahat pinapunta sa school, tapos biglang cancel lahat ng classes. Tapos, kailangan namin umalis ng campus when it was fall. Tapos lahat nagpapanik kasi ang daming nangyayari that day. Sa akin, wala akong pakialam, pinagtatawanan ko lang sila. Alis na tayo, ganun. Papalayasin na tayo. Tapos,
yung mga lahat nagpapanik na, tapos parang ikaw, sure ka ba?
yung mga nasa gitna ng meeting, sasabat, uy, papalayasin na. Tapos yung mga tao na nagtatry tawag doon? Compose sarili na or they're doing damage control, tatawanan ko lang sa mukha nila. Kasi for me, it's not that serious. Like, okay.
Yes.
Like, sometimes it's serious in the moment. And minsan guilty ako dito. But at the same time, okay, parang in the same way na before, nung sinabi na bida-bida ako, okay, what if? So if something bad happens, kaya ko rin naman, if talaga ganun kaseryoso, kaya ko naman magseryoso minsan. Pero if it doesn't really require it, if nakita ko din na yung mood nung lahat is medyo bad trip sila, lahat galit, parang, ba't kayo galit? Parang,
You lighten up the mood talaga.
Yeah.
That's how you
Oo.
cope, diba?
oh, kaysa magalit, tumawa na lang tayo, ganun. Nakakatuwa naman kasi talaga.
Love
You found
that.
joy in
Oo.
dark
Pero
moments.
iba yung nasasabi ng girlfriend, ba't ka ba kasi nag-joke ng gano'n? Ibabalik ko lang ang nangyari na nakaraan 2 years ago ng April 17. Charot. Ganun pala mag-cope ang ibang extrovert. They just
Yeah.
make light of situations. Ikaw naman, ang mas bet mo is just
Maging
huwag niyo akong
maging
kausapin.
mag-isa.
Ganon.
Pero gusto ko na sa outside.
Right.
Outside pero walang kinakausap and
Yes.
all.
Siya naman,
May sarili lang siyang bubble. Siya.
vaporize niya lang talaga. Like, problema ba to? I forgot about it. What was it again? Ganun ba kayo pag nag-away kayo ng jowa mo? Kinakalimutan mo na lang?
Hindi.
Ayun na! Ayun na!
Gusto ko yung sagot niya, bigla siya sumeryoso. Sabi niya,
Sige nga, balikan mo ano
Hindi.
nangyari April 17, 2019. Pero meron bang situation? Gusto ko siyang balikan dahil nga, parang kakaiba lagi yung sagot niya from what I expect.
Yeah.
So, sige. Meron bang chance na kunwari may sinabi yung boyfriend mo, tapos na-hurt ka talaga doon?
Yeah.
Since yung coping mechanism mo, kakalimutan mo, sure ka kaya mo talaga kalimutan? Or may iba kang way on how to deal with it?
Ano kasi ako, yung makakalimutin din talaga ako.
Ayun lang. Kaya pala.
hindi ako naniniwala.
Pero ewan ko, pagdating sa partner ko, parang matandain ako.
Ayun lang. So, namimili pala yung ano niya. Namimili kung
Oo.
sino yung naaalala niya at hindi. Pero may memorable ka ba na, for example, ang hirap mag-isip ng example pag kay Sandro na natatabla niya agad.
Ano na lang, for example, kunwari ngayong morning, may bagay na nakakairita siyang ginawa. Tapos, parang kinip mo na sa sarili mo na, okay, sige, hindi naman masyadong mabigat, hayaan ko muna. Tapos, nung pagtapos ng day, doon mo na lang isi-share sa kanya na, alam mo, nainis ako sa'yo kanina, ganito yung ginawa mo, ganyan.
Ginagawa mo yun? Or parang,
Minsan
wag
hindi
na.
talaga. Nakakalimutan ko na talaga.
Ito
Wala
pala
na
yung
talaga,
masarap
as
maging
in.
jowa.
Yung pag niloko siya, niloko mo ako, kailan?
May screenshots pa yun. Talaga?
Kailan yan?
Ganun pala, no? Si Sandra, guys, yung hanapin. Ideal girlfriend. Nakakalimutan
Yes,
yung mga
kaya tagal na
kasalanan.
nila ngayon eh.
Okay, so if ever you will be dealing with different people with these different personality characteristics, syempre mas maganda if you will be knowledgeable about their own preference, no? For example, for extroverts, you have to be knowledgeable how extroverts behave. Same goes with ambiverts and introverts. So when it comes to their boundaries, of course, regardless whether you're extrovert, ambivert, or introvert, you have to respect these boundaries. You have to know if ever they need their alone times. Syempre, we have to respect, no? Lalo na dito sa mga introverts because we know that they are the ones who prefer those kind of, sabihin natin, solitary activities to help themselves or to help them to prepare themselves for other form of interactions. Sa extroverts naman, maybe they have their own preference on socializing with other people, but that doesn't automatically mean na dapat, for example, ikaw yung kasama niya, di ba? Or you can dictate what they need to do in order to feel recharged because they have their own preferences. Same goes with those people who identifies as ambivert. They have their own preference. No? So, tulad nung nabanggit natin kanina, maaaring medyo mahirap i-predict since they identified to be within the middle of the continuum. So, by just being there, accepting, for example, what their preference are, helping them if ever they would need some help, and you being available as a help provider could always be a supportive way to let them rest and let them be themselves.
Sa tingin nyo ba, magsistick kayo sa mga personality types na sinabi nyo kanina? Or, do you feel like you want to change yourself?
Change nyo na.
Change nyo na. It's now your chance to. Ayan, go. Mikay.
Ikaw.
Rodora X yung peg na tanong.
Kamay sa baba.
Actually, gusto kong i-stick kung ano lang yung personality ko. Pero may part sa akin na gusto kong i-adopt yung personality nung extrovert.
Ayaw mo mag-ambivert.
Maging ambivert ka na lang.
Ambivert ka na lang.
Hindi kasi parang, yung sa ginudge yung ambivert.
Sabi ko yung mga introvert.
Yes, sige sabihin.
Judgmental
Sige
turn.
sabihin mo yung mga weaknesses
Hindi,
ng
parang
ambivert.
yung nakikita ko kasi sa ambivert, parang sobrang flexible nila. So,
Yeah, right.
sa sobrang flexible mo, sobrang mabilis din maubos yung
Energy mo.
energy mo, tsaka yung social battery mo. Kasi nga makikibagay ka sa lahat eh. Unlike pag extrovert ka, wala akong pake sa inyo. So parang vibe kami ng extrovert. Kasi wala rin akong pake sa kanila.
It's
ganun.
just you. Queen things lang talaga si
Yung
Mikay,
things lahat na
guys.
sinasabi niya.
Yes.
Sige.
Leon, ikaw.
Sa akin, feeling ko wala akong babago. Mainly because my extrovertness has led to my career opportunities, like being a project manager right now, or like even in the future wanting to be in more of those leadership positions. Mahirap maging, possible maging leader, but I feel like I found my niche. So, wala naman akong ibabago. Di naman ako perfecto, pero I feel comfortable with where I am.
Right.
Gusto ko yung self-aware talaga sa sarili niya.
Yes.
Tama yun.
At sasabihin ng girlfriend niya, tama yan, babe.
Siguro cheer siya ngayon.
Kung nanonood siya, yes, hello.
Baby ko yan. Uy, wait lang. Non-stuff related. Anong tawagan niyo ng Bebe Loves mo?
Ano? Di ko siya, Bibi ganun. Bibi?
So cheesy. Uy, pero ikaw, Mika, anong tawagan niyo sa partner mo?
Hal?
Ay, mahal!
Pero hal
Hindi,
lang.
sa
Ayoko
hal.
lang mahal. Parang corny ng mahal.
Ah, ganun.
Hal.
Na-judge pa ako. Sabi sa'yo.
Halika nga dito.
Sabi ko naman.
Parang haba kasi mahal. Parang 5 hal.
Halal.
Sa pagiging extrovert mo, tapos may partner ka pa, tapos di ba nakakahalubilo ka ng more girls and such, paano dumating sa buhay mo na na nagalit na siya about it?
Yes, definitely. Kasi minsan ako rin, di ko na-establish yung boundaries na, ayaw nga if I interact this way with a girl, iba makita ng tao.
Yeah.
Parang,
Right.
naisip ko na lang, okay, what if my girlfriend was here, would I do that? Probably not. So, it's, talking with each other and that communication na, okay, as an extrovert, wala ako nakikita dun, but I need to understand not everyone thinks like me.
Love that.
Sobrang talino niya doon.
Max, ano daw yan? Extrovert supremacy.
I believe.
Yes, tama yun.
10 out of 10.
Sabi
Green
sa'yo,
flag siya sa
judgmental
part na
talaga.
Gino-judge pala, may grade pala yun.
Ikaw naman,
Ikaw na.
Sandra, papalitan mo ba ang pagiging ambivert mo?
Wala akong babaguhin. Yun na yun.
Anong tawagan niya ni Bebe Labs?
Mahaba daw eh. Mahal.
Ay, sorry.
Mapalitan niya, ganyan, baba.
Mikay, palitan mo yung sagot mo na offend siya.
Hindi na mahaba.
Nag-a-adjust din pala.
Yes.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, guys. Actually, this episode is more of like a reaction to some of the our experts like definition or actual definition of introvert, extrovert, and ambivert. So, madedefine nyo guys, no, kung confused pa rin ba talaga sila or what not. But then, thank you guys
Thank you
for
so much,
being
guys.
here on this show. So, may mga, mga gusto ba kayong main takeaway lang? Siguro mga 1 to 2 sentences
Yes.
about how you felt about this episode. Feedback yun. O sige, ikaw Sandra, balik kami sa iyo. Gulat ka, no?
Marami ako natutunan sa episode na to. Lalo na sa mga introverts and extroverts.
Yes, and she just wants to be...
Yes.
Gusto ko yung ganun lang siya. Marami ako natutunan sa episode na to.
Thank you po.
Ambivert
Ganun lang.
nga kasi. Ambivert.
Binisikan niya lang tayo.
Yes.
Ikaw naman,
o ikaw,
Mikay.
Ay, Mikay.
Ulo ako agad.
Until the very end, she's like, hala ako again.
Siguro ang dami ko lang din, gaya ko na sagad. Ang dami ko natutunan, lalo na sa extrovert, na parang, ganito pala silang mag-isip. Hindi lang sila bida-bida, parang gano'n.
Sabi na na-judge ka niya talaga.
Nasabi na kanya pala, bida-bida talaga yun.
Hindi kasi parang mas naintindihan ko yung boyfriend ko na kaya niya lang talaga makipag-blend in sa ibang tao.
Love
Right.
that. And ikaw naman, finally, last but not the least.
It's fun makita kung paano mag-isip yung people that aren't that, yung hindi kagaya ko.
Right.
And it's just fun na mapakita na nag-iisip din naman yung extrovert, di lang kami maingay. Ganun.
Yeah.
Actually, main takeaway ko rin yun, na pwede pa lang yung mga stereotypes na iniisip natin for an introvert, pwede siyang mag-apply to an extrovert. It's just, you shouldn't also be confining yourself na kapag extrovert ka, ganito ka lang dapat mag-react or
Right.
ganito ka lang dapat mag-relate to people. Because, sorry, this is like unpopular opinion, but I love the idea that there are like personality types, yung I and E. Pero sometimes kasi, meron akong friend na nung sinabi niyang INFJ siya, like, sure ka ba? Parang mas maingay ka pa sa amin. Pero parang to her, iba yung based on what they are during that time or for example, a specific stage in their life, they adjust that kind of to that kind of personality. So, it's really knowing where you are, where you work best, no? And how you relate to people para ma-realize mo na pwede pa rin pala kami mag-coexist kahit magkaiba
Right,
kami
oo.
ng personality. So I think that's like the point naman of this episode na when you identify yourself, don't act like it naman talaga. Pero pwedeng you just learn and absorb how other people are and then develop yourself after, diba? So that's it for me. Ikaw naman, James?
Ako naman yung main takeaway ko talaga is sobrang importante ng self-awareness and knowing your boundaries. Like for example, kapag someone ka na may partner and you tend to na parang maging social butterfly sa lahat and knowing na may partner ka, syempre respeto sa partner mo yun and respeto sa mga taong nakakakita sa iyo kasi they tend to misinterpret yung gaya nga ng sabi niya na parang sa'yo personally wala lang yun. Pero what if yung mga taong nakakahalubilo mo na minimisinterpret yung na yun. So binibigyan ng meaning yung mga ganong bagay. And napaka-importante din talaga ng self-awareness kasi kapag self-aware ka, alam mo kung paano ka makihalubilo sa iba and alam mo yung mga bagay na sasabihin mo and yung mga bagay na magagawa mo.
Right. Para at least, at the end of the day, parang you know how to best adjust.
Yes.
Yun naman pag introvert, narinig mo na ganun pala yung extrovert, anong expectation mo? Bababaan mo rin yung expectation mo sa next extrovert na makikita mo or ambiverts, diba?
So more often than not kasi, as I've seen, observe from the interactions in the internet, yun yung mga natatake online. Maybe would be the time to break the ice that it's actually an outdated measure. Okay? And it's not currently considered as a psychometrically valid and reliable test. Although, it can still be useful for some other aspects. But when it comes to personality analysis, or if you want to know more about ourselves, the big 5 personality factors is a better way to understand ourselves. No? Extroversion and introversion are still a part of it, but they actually added 4 more. No? They talked about openness to experience, your level of conscientiousness, your level of agreeableness, and your level of neuroticism. No? Current scientific understanding in the field of psychology suggests that these big 5 personality indicators or factors are better measures or definitions of personality.
So thank you once again sa ating guest, si Sandra. Oh, kamay gawin.
Yes.
Sandra. Sandy.
And
Call her
plug your
Sandy.
social media ulit.
Follow me on IG _ it's Sandra.
Sandra
It's
what?
Sandra.
It's
It's
Sandra.
Sandra. _
It's Sandra. Yes, Leon.
Hello, I'm Leon. Follow me on TikTok, Kahel Orange, and then Kahel Leon lang. So yes, follow me.
Yes.
Kahel yun. Ikaw naman, Mikay.
Hello.
Wala. I just print. No.
Wala. I don't give energy today.
So salamat sa inyong energy, guys.
Thank you so
And-
much, guys.
Yes, and thank you so much again to Bagong Pilipinas Studio, our crew. Yeah.
Maraming salamat Bagong Pilipinas Studio sa napakaganda naming setup every
Yes.
episode. Thank you so
Yes.
much, guys.
So go visit us at Schoolmates, at Trisha Bersano, and at James
Ramada.
Yes. Okay, comment na kayo. No? And with that, sa bawat usapin sa bawat issue, may boses tayong mga kabataan.
Kaya naman sumali, makinig at makiisa dahil ang bawat opinion ninyo'y mahalaga.
Sabay-sabay nating isigaw sa buong mundo, Schoolmates!
May pakialam ka!
Sigawan